really like the workshop. It's close to what I was expecting. Going back home, I will know how to settle in an entire assessment, any test. And this is great. It's a specialty, especially for a recruiter like me. It's a specialty, a competence that I needed. And what I really like the most is the practice. For any chapter, we had a good practice. That makes like you are doing it already, and this is something it's something that is very valuable and so helpful. Instead of taking a course and then try to make it in practice. What I like less, I don't know, nothing. Maybe if we make it in more days, so we can have more time to hang out in the town.